Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your personal computer using DS4Windows via Bluetooth. First, confirm your PC has Bluetooth functionality. You will need this to establish the wireless connection. Next, navigate to the official DS4Windows website and download the latest version of the software. Once downloaded, extract all the files from the compressed folder into a new, easily accessible directory on your computer. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's configure DS4Windows. Open the DS4Windows exe file you just extracted. The application will guide you through a quick first-time setup. It is very important to install any drivers that the software prompts you to. These drivers are essential for your computer to correctly recognize the PlayStation 4 controller. Finally, choose your preferred location for saving profiles and settings, either in the App Data folder for user-specific settings or the Program folder for shared access. With DS4Windows configured, it's time to pair your controller. Hold down the PS button and the Share button on your PS4 controller simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This indicates it's in pairing mode. On your PC, open your Bluetooth settings and click to add a new device. Your computer should detect the controller as wireless controller. Select it to establish the connection. The light bar will turn a solid color once successfully paired. After pairing, open DS4Windows again. Your controller should now be listed as connected, often showing its battery level. This is where you can truly personalize your experience. Explore the extensive customization options, such as remapping buttons, adjusting stick sensitivity, and even setting up macros. Once you have fine-tuned your settings, launch your favorite game and test the controller. Ensure all buttons and analog sticks respond as expected, providing you with a seamless gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.